Hi friends, welcome to the channel Civil Vision Tunia Arts Up. In this video, we are going to discuss about SSC previous year questions in building materials and concrete technology. We expect basic and simple conceptual questions for SSC exams. So, I kindly request all of us to go through the textbooks for basic and simple conceptual questions. Let's start. First question, how do we reduce the shrinkage in concrete? Shrinkage is the main disadvantage in concrete. It tends to tensile crack. So, how do we reduce the shrinkage? By less cementing concrete, by proper concrete mix, by low water cement ratio. Correct option for this question is option D, all of this. Second one, which of the below is not a plaster finish? The correct answer for this question is option D, wooden. Third question, higher the cement content. While increasing the content of cement in concrete, which tends to increase the strength. Therefore, the correct option for this question is option C. Higher strength. Higher the cement content, higher will be the strength. Next one. Fourth question, which admixture is used to improve the workability of concrete? Workability can be improved by using plasticizer as the admixture. The correct answer for this question is option A. Whereas accelerators decrease the setting time, reduces or increase the setting time. Fifth question, the accumulation of water on the outer surface of concrete is nothing but bleeding. The correct answer for this question is option B, bleeding. We have to understand the difference between bleeding and segregation. Segregation is nothing but separation of aggregate and cement content from the concrete. Sixth one, which is the best method for curing of concrete in a flat surface? First one, spraying water, placing wet gunny bags. Third one, stagnating water. All the three options are correct for this question, but best method for this one is stagnating water. The correct option for this question is option C. Seventh one, which component of concrete gives its desired compressive strength? While preparing concrete mix, important ingredients are cement, aggregate, sand, water and admixture if needed. Among this, which one prefer for compressive strength? The desired compressive strength given by aggregates. The correct answer for this question is option B. Eighth one, which of the timber is used to make the goods that are used in sports industry? The correct answer for this question is option C, mulberry. Ninth one, which of the following constituents is present in the blast furnace slag? The correct answer for this question is option B, 45% of calcium oxide and 35% of silica. 10th one, which of the following is used to test the fineness of cement? Fineness of cement is tested by using air permeability method, whereas leach water apparatus is used for testing of soundness of cement, whereas Vickert apparatus is used for final and initial setting time of cement. Therefore, the correct answer for this question is option B, air permeability method. I hope this video will be very useful for you. Kindly share with your friends. Thank you.